So I like to draw the sun over here. Here's the sun. Don't forget the sun. And what is it contributing? It is contributing energy. Right? So I don't have different colors here, but I'm going to use E for energy and N for nutrients. All right, who is getting this energy from the sun? It's plants. All right, plants get eaten by animals. And plants are going to get energy, or sorry, animals are going to get energy from the plants. They're also going to get nutrients from the plants. All right, now where are plants getting their nutrients from? Let's put that on here too. Soil, right? Plants are getting nutrients from soil. They're not getting energy from soil, right? So each of these boxes, plants and animals, are living things. They have to get energy from somewhere. They have to get nutrients from somewhere, right? Plants get them from two different places, the sun and soil. Animals get both their nutrients and their energy from eating plants. All right, now plants are going to be losing some energy as heat. Animals are going to be losing some energy as heat. And when plants and animals die, right, they're going to go to this detritus compartment. Right. And there's going to be some little leftover energy and nutrients that are going to be going with their body parts into the detritus, right? If there wasn't any leftover stuff going in there, the detritivores wouldn't have anything to eat. All right, so the detritus and then the detritivores are going to be basically getting the rest of the energy out of it. And what ends up going into the soil is just the nutrients, right? The system is pretty efficient, that there's going to be all the energy is gone by the time it gets to the soil. All right, so we'll put a little loss of energy over here. Right. If you've ever had a compost pile, one of the things about them that's a little creepy is they get hot because the breakdown of that last little bit of molecules that are in your coffee grounds and your rotting tomatoes and whatever you're putting in your compost pile. If you have a nice, active, healthy compost pile, it'll get warm, right? And so that's where this energy is being released from those molecules, right? So we have some parts of this diagram that are showing nutrients, right? So nutrients cycle and recycle, right? Energy comes in from the outside, but eventually is lost, right?